high-level meeting which included the IB chief, the Delhi Police Commissioner and members of the NIA has just about concluded a short while ago. What we've been given to understand, the meeting lasted about an hour and attended by the Home Secretary, the IB Chief, the Delhi Police Commissioner, the NIA Director General, the NSG Director General and the DGP as well of Jammu and Kashmir, along with officials from the Home Ministry. The Home Minister was apprised and stock taking, and also now questions were also addressed on the current security situation. Many cities, including Delhi, continue to be on high alert. Was there or are there more sleeper cells? Is there another terrorist out there? Are explosives still out there? All those questions where immediate security situation is concerned. There was definitely a security lapse. That question needs to be addressed. At one end, viewers, one can look at it and say, and it is true, that an attack such as this, which we had seen very often in UPA years, has happened after many, many years. One doesn't even remember when was a terror attack like this ever witnessed. But when it comes to terror, one attack is one too many. While there will be a certain section which will say that one doesn't quite speak of the hundreds of terror attacks that are foiled and busted, and the focus then comes into and remains that one terror attack that was actually orchestrated. But when you look at that, the sheer fact that there has been a terror attack in the heart of the national capital, which in all probability is now a suicide attack, questions need to be answered. This was nothing but a massive security lapse, and we will mince no words saying it. Yes, there was a terror module that was busted, which could have led to a series of more attacks, more blasts, possibly the use of weaponry in terms of an AK-57 that was recovered from Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Yes, that could have happened, but this should not have happened. 9 lives, innocent lives, have been lost in the bargain. I want to bring in my colleague Aishwarya on the phone line, or joining us live right now. Aishwarya, can you quickly elucidate for us the meeting just concluded at Home Minister's residence? What clearly was discussed was the current security situation. What more can you add?
Well, Preeti, from what we are understanding at the moment, all the agencies have been asked to work in tandem.